It's ready now. Daddy and Dylan are eating lobster and crab.
And here's a little lobster eye.
Yep.
You see, I can put it up closer if you want.
Yep, definitely a lobster eye.
And if you want, I can show you where it's in.
No, you can try it.
Oh, I'll show the camera where it has been. Came out of that guy right there.
And that's almost the rest of the video.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
You do?
Just a little crunchy.
Yeah. You want Mommy to give you some water?
Uh-huh.
You are definitely Daddy's little boy. Say cheese.
I like eating meat like you do.
There you go.